Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you all are good and taking good care of yourself. So, yesterday we have learned the vowels recall I sound. Okay, that is short I sound that sounds like E. Okay, so yesterday we have learned the IG words with IG. Okay, that is big, dig, jig, fig, rig, wig, and pig. Okay, so today we are going to learn the IN words. Okay, IN words. So let's start. B says B, I says E, N says N, B, E, N, bin. D says D, I says E, N says N, D, E, N, din. T says T, I says E, N says N, T, E, N, tin. F says F, I says E, N says N, F, E, N, fin. R says R, I says E, N says N, R, E, N, rin. W says W, I says E, N says N, W, E, N, win. P says P, I says E, N says N, P, E, N, pin. Okay? B, E, N, bin. D, E, N, din. T, E, N, tin. F, E, N, fin. R, E, N, rin. W, E, N, win. P, E, N, pin. Okay? Bin, din, tin, fin, rin, win, pin. Okay? So these are the IN words. Once you know how does the IN sounds, then any of the letter with the beginning sound you can make a word. Okay? That is, if you know the sound of IN, it sounds as in. Then if I write B or if I write C in the starting of the word, then it forms B in a bin. Okay? Accordingly. So you have to learn this words and you have to write it down in your 4-line notebook. Okay? So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.